DD-D-D-D-D-D-D-DUEL! Hey guys, it's Galmy, and welcome back to Creative Loop Right Animu Edition. Yeah, this one came a little later than the others, because it got fucking delayed. So, but yes, the theme is great. This time the theme is duel. Let's do it. Duel! We're Ooh, I like the interior. That's great. Maybe some JoJo in this. Let's do it. We have our bone charm. First off. Wait. Oh my god, what is this? Wait, oh man, that's just a hat, though. That cap, though. This Ultraman Gaia, Ultraman 7 Ultraman Gaia shirt. Damn it. So we have Super Fight, the Anime Deck 2. The game by Dan Roth. Games. From Mewtwo to Hello Kitty, the Anime Deck 2 adds 100 new anime inspired characters and powered to Super Fight, the game of Third Judgments. This deck may play on its own or mix any other Super Fight deck. So grab your friends, it's time to duel. Christ. Okay. Oh, Ace Attorney. Phoenix Red. Objection. Objection. It's Loot Crate exclusive even. What is it? Oh man. Is there a little evidence case? Okay, the suitcase. Let's open it up. Here's the whole thing flips up. That's cute. That's adorable. It's like a little wallet, I guess. It's like a card. It's a little card case. That's adorable. Okay. Right, you go over there. Next we have... It's frickin' Yu-Gi-Oh! Socks! What the heck, mate? BioWorld. Friends of BioWorld. Freaking Mario puzzle socks. Not bad. I was kind of expecting an exclusive card, but whatever. I'll take it. And... Orla! We have a freaking JoJo cap with JoJo on it. That's awesome. You see in purple, like Star Platinum. There's our adventure, the animation, what? What? Oh! Seeing a little chibis apart of stars could say her characters and stands. That's awesome. And stands, that's awesome. Illustration by Stephanie Cow. It's pretty neat. Alright. Duel! Summon all courage you require because this episode of Loot Anime challenges you to a duel. From cards to courtrooms. Duel is here to make sure your opponents stand a chance. These confident contest is exclusive items are waiting for you to take a shot. Good duel phone charm. Phones are great for making your rivals answer for their words. Luckily for you, it's time to set the record straight with its greatest duel charm. Excuse me, you get crew socks. It's quite a bit viral on this one, actually. After at least 2 items of viral on this one, jeez. Battling rivals is much easier as you aren't to stretch their cold feet. These pharaoh-friendly socks feature a Malayan puzzle design and will keep your tootsies toasty during any tournament. Exclusive Ultraman Gaia seat. Looks stunning while he's stun monsters with the Science Patrol installed by 50 years of broadcasting the world-famous Tokusatsu special effects series, with this ultra cool tee inspired by Ultraman Gaia. Yeah, it's a business card case. That's awesome. If you want to prove yourself to be the best defense attorney in town, you'll need a briefcase. This card case can help you find clients and look impressive in the courtroom. Take it to trial on investigations to never lose important business cards for legal cases again. It's good JoJo's Our Adventure snapback hat. Jotaro Kujo may not be first JoJo, that'll be Jonathan Joestar. But we're taking a stand, and saying he's our favorite. Right. Like Jotaro, you could look stoic and smart in a snapback hat from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. For sure your allies consider it his coolest look yet. And finally, Super Play Anime Deck 2, Sky from Skybound. You watched plenty of anime face-offs. Now it's time to step into the ring. Draw your fighter card and 2 problem cards, and are you way into a winner circle, or whatever shape your table is. It's pretty neato. Before I look overview, look at the crate so you can. Jeez. Okay. Oh, this is a pretty kind of short video. If you're going up with quite the same just a dislike, then fuck off. because I hate people who just go and dislike them. The last one had a bunch of dislikes for seemingly for no reason. Like, seriously, guys. But yeah, there's your lot. I don't know what the next one is going to be, but this was a pretty good one. So it's pretty tricky to top this. So it's reasonably tricky to top this one. So yeah, I will see you next time. Later.